Let's initialize a new Django project with UV as our project manager. To do that, I first need to create my project directory. It just so happens I've already got one. I will initialize it with Git. I did it already, so just reinitialized it. So we need to first install Django to create a Django project. The command to do that, you can find it here. Yep. So to install Django, you first have to do this. Once you've got Django running, you can run Django admin, start project, and then we call this backend. And that command will create a whole bunch of files in the backend with this, insert the directory with this name, which is backend in this case. And now to manage the project and all of its dependencies, we can use UV. UV is a really, really fast project manager and dependency manager. It's so much more faster than Pip, Poetry, and any other tools you can imagine. It has so many more features. It will also manage your VMs if those are your cup of tea. To do that, we'll first have to install UV. You can do that using this command. Once that's done, you need to initialize your project with UV so it can create its files to track your dependencies. You can do that using UV init. Once that's done, you need to create a VM. So it has a simple command to do that as well. It's just UV VM. And once that's done, you need to get into your VM using a command like this. And once that's done, you can just install Django. The command to do that would be UV add Django. If you look at your pyproject.toml file, you can find Django in the dependencies now. This is very much like package.json if you've ever used the Node ecosystem. To run the Django server, you can run UV run manage py run server. And this will spin up the server. It seems like my port is already in use. Maybe I can use 8181. Okay, I think I can just say 127.0.0.1, 8181, and there you go. If I go to 8181, that should work, I guess. Localhost 8181, sorry. Yeah, there you go. This is being served from your Django project, which is using UV as its package manager.